Good evening, my dear students. In the previous class, we discussed types of ions: monovalent, anion, cation, monovalent, divalent, trivalent. In this class, I am going to discuss some objective questions on ions. See this: superoxide ion is, we know O2 minus is a peroxide ion. Peroxide ion, O2 minus. O2 minus, this is oxide ion, oxide. O2 minus, this is superoxide. O2 minus, superoxide. So superoxide ion is third one, C. O2 minus peroxide, O2 minus oxide, O2 minus superoxide. O2 is a gas, that is not ion, O2. Okay, next question. Sulfite and sulfate ions are. Sulfite, we know sulfite ion formula SO3 2 minus sulfite. Sulfate ion formula SO4 2 minus. Sulfite ion SO3 2 minus. Sulfate SO4 2 minus. Hence, what is the correct answer? Third option, SO3 2 minus and SO4 2 minus. Okay, next question. And phosphate ions are. No, phosphide ion P3 minus. Phosphide P3 minus. Phosphate PO4 3 minus. P3 minus. Phosphide PO4 3 minus. Phosphate. Hence, what is the correct answer? Second one, P3 minus and PO4 3 minus. Okay, next question please. Next one. Which of the following radical is not monovalent? Not monovalent means there is no any there is no plus 1 or no minus 1. Okay, sulfate SO4 2 minus. So this is not monovalent. Is a monovalent. Asking monovalent. This is not monovalent. This is a divalent. Carbonate CO3 2 minus. This is also not monovalent. So this is also wrong. Nitride ion N3 minus nitride. This is also wrong. This is a trivalent. Sulfate divalent, carbonate divalent, nitride trivalent. Now finally chloride Cl minus. This is the monovalent ion. Got it? Hence, what is the answer? Fourth one. Next one. Iron exhibit variable valency of dash and dash. Variable valency. We know iron exhibit plus 2 and also plus 3 charge. We know plus 2 ferrous, plus 3 ferric, plus 2 ferrous, plus 3 ferric. Hence, what is the correct answer? First one, plus 2 and plus 3, variable valency. Okay, next question, marker. Okay, next question please. Which of the following radicals are bivalent? Which of the following radical are bivalent? Bivalent means divalent, charge plus 2 or minus 2. Okay, sulfide, we know sulfide S2 minus, sulfide ion. Yes, this is a bivalent. Sulfate SO4 3 minus, SO4 2 minus sulfate. So this is also bivalent. Perchlorate ClO4 minus. This is perchlorate. This is not bivalent. Nitride, we already discussed in the previous question. Nitride N3 minus. This is a trivalent. And what is the correct answer? A and B. This is a multi-correct answer question. More than one correct. Okay. So hence A and B is the right answer. Sulfide S2 minus, sulfate SO4 2 minus. Next question. Which of the following radicals is bivalent? Which of the following radicals is bivalent? Bivalent. Again asking bivalent. Sulfate. This is bivalent. SO4 2 minus. Nitride. This is N3 minus. Trivalent. Chloride Cl minus, monovalent. Phosphate PO4 3 minus. This is trivalent, hence bivalent radical is first one, sulfate. Okay, next one. The charge present on carbide ion, carbide ion is C2 minus, C2 minus, carbide ion. This is the carbide ion. Example, calcium carbide, this is the formula of calcium carbide. We know calcium plus 2 charge, carbide C2 minus 2 charge, then crisscross CaC2, 2 to cancel, CaC2, calcium carbide C2 minus, C2 minus, carbide ion. Okay, so what is the right answer? Minus 2. Okay, next one. The ion that is not monovalent, check. Ammonium, we know the formula of ammonium, NaH4 plus. This is a monovalent, but asking not monovalent, so this option wrong. Sodium, we know sodium is a monovalent, Na plus is a monovalent, so this is also wrong. Bicarbonate, HCO3 minus, this is also monovalent. Carbonate, CO3 2 minus, hence what is the correct answer? Fourth one is the right answer. Got it? Asking what? Not monovalent. Carbonate is not monovalent, remaining all are monovalent, because carbonate CO3 2 minus, that is a bivalent. Okay, next question. Identify correct matching. Ferrous, yes, Fe2 plus, ferrous, correct matching, Fe2 plus. Ferric, Fe3 plus, correct matching, Fe3 plus, ferric. Cupric is Cu plus 2, not Cu plus. Cupric is Cu plus 2, cupric. Cu plus cuprous, Cu plus cuprous, Cu plus 2, cupric. So this is wrong. Stannous, yes, SN2 plus stannous, SN4 plus tonic, SN2 plus stannous, SN4 plus tonic, hence A, C, D are correct. Second one is the wrong. Okay, next one. Identify the element, show zero valency. See, zero valency can shown by inert gases. Remember, zero valency can shown by inert gases. Can show zero valency. Inert gases, they are not combined with any other element. Inert gases, what are the inert gases? Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, these are the inert gases. Helium, He, neon, Ne, argon, Ar, krypton, Kr, xenon, Xe, Rn, radon, these are the inert gases. They can show zero valency. So that's why nickel, this is not inert gas. Neon, inert gas, it can show zero valency. Helium, He, inert gas. Ra, radium, but radon, radon. Rn is inert gas, Re is not inert gas. Ra, radium, that is not inert gas. So then neon and helium is the right answer, B and C. Okay, in the next class we will discuss how to write chemical formula. Okay, you must practice remaining objective questions also in our material. Okay, hope you understood the all objective questions what we discussed today. In the next class we will discuss how to write chemical formula. Okay, now